Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Pink, chocolate, red, green, blue, yellow. A, say with me, A. A for ant. B, say with me, B. B for book. C, say with me, C. C for car. D, say with me, D. D for door. E, say with me, E. E for egg. A, say with me, F. F for flower. G, say with me, G. G for grape. H, say with me, H. H for hand. I, say with me, I. I for eyes. J, say with me, J. J for jackfruit. K, say with me, K. K for knife. L, say with me, L. L for lemon. M, say with me, M. M for mango. N, say with me, N. N for nut. O, say with me, O. O for octopus. P, say with me, P. P for penguin. Q, say with me, Q. Q for quilt. R, say with me, R. R for river. S, say with me, S. S for star. T, say with me, T. T for tree. U, say with me, U. U for uniform. V, say with me, V. V for virus. W, say with me, W. W for watermelon. X, say with me, X. X for xylophone. Y, say with me, Y. Y for yak. Z, say with me, Z. Z for zoo. Subscribe for more videos.